Hi, I'm Captain Safia and I'm a helicopter pilot. Come join me as I travel the world because I believe life is better with a little adventure. Hi again everyone, I'm Captain Safia and welcome back to my channel. In the second episode today of trekking in Nepal, even though I'm a pilot and I'm obviously really interested in aviation, I'm not ashamed to admit I was terrified of flying to Lukla, which is one of the most dangerous airports in the world, but it's also known as the gateway to the Everest region. While I am a helicopter pilot, I also have my commercial fixed-wing license, which probably makes my anxiety worse as it means I kind of know what's happening in the cockpit. In addition to that, I have also had all these things happen to me while I've been a passenger in airplanes. Take a look. So to say I'm not a good backseat driver is an understatement, but I actually just wanted to share my experience here with you of takeoff and landing at the Tenzing Hillary airport, because even though I don't like flying in smaller airplanes, it really was not that bad. So if you're nervous about flying to Lukla, I hope this video helps calm your fears. Watching. You can also check me out on Instagram at Pilots and Passports. See you next time. Bye.